Hi, I am your Cash Canvas, and today I'll provide you information about how to make money without losing anything. Let's get started together. What if I told you there's a way to make money without risking a single dollar? No scams, no gambling, and definitely no get-rich-quick schemes that leave you broke. Sounds impossible? Well, buckle up because today I'm revealing 3 proven strategies to grow your wealth without losing anything. Relax. I'm not selling you anything. In fact, if you follow these steps, you'll never have to worry about losing money again. But here's the catch. You must pay attention. Because by the end of this video, you'll either be on your way to financial freedom or stuck in the same cycle of doubt. Your choice. 1. High-yield savings accounts. The zero-risk wealth builder. Let's start with the easiest way to make money without risk. High-yield savings accounts. Right now, your money is probably sitting in a regular bank, earning 0.01% interest. That's basically nothing. But with a high-yield savings account, you can earn 4 to 5% APY just for parking your cash there. That's hundreds of extra dollars every year, risk-free. The best part? Your money stays completely safe. No stock market crashes, no sketchy investments. Just free money. Point number 2. Matched betting, the legal loophole. Banks don't want you to know. What if I told you there's a way to legally exploit betting promotions for guaranteed profit? No, this isn't gambling. It's called asterisk matched betting, and it's 100% risk-free. But it is totally illegal and harm for you. Absolutely. Companies offer free bets to attract customers, and by using simple math, you lock in profits every time. People make thousands a month doing this. The catch? You must follow the system exactly, or you will lose money. But if you do it right, free cash. Period. Now, if you're ready for the biggest secret, the one that can turn small efforts into massive wealth, then you can't miss the final strategy. Point number 3. Cashback reward hacking. Get paid to spend. By using cashback apps, credit card rewards, and sign-up bonuses, you can earn hundreds, even thousands, just by spending like you normally would. The key? Never carry a balance. Pay it off immediately. Do this right, and you're basically printing free money. Point number 4, the ultimate wealth secret, leverage time. All these strategies have one thing in common. They don't require you to lose money. But if you really want to build generational wealth, you must harness the power of compounding. The richest people in the world don't just save. They let their money grow exponentially. And if you want to learn exactly how to do that, I've got something even better for you. Click the video on screen right now. I'm breaking down the power of compounding and how it can turn small actions into massive wealth. Trust me, this is the missing piece to your financial freedom. Smash that like button if this helped. Subscribe if you're serious about wealth, and I'll see you in the next video, where we turn knowledge into action. Write in the comments of your opinion about making money. What do you prefer to increase your wealth? Thanks for watching our informative video, and stay here for our next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like.